Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how to log in Spectrum router. If you have Spectrum router and internet connection and you are facing login problem, then this video is for you. Mostly people just doing wrong by clicking on this sign in button of Spectrum official website. But it will sign you up for a Spectrum customer account rather than log in to your Spectrum router. Here is the step-by-step guide for how to log in Spectrum router. Follow them as mentioned. Logging in is easy and all you need is to connect your PC to the Spectrum router. You can connect either using a LAN or Ethernet cable or using a Wi-Fi network. Now that your PC is connected to the router, follow this step to log in. First, open a web browser on your PC and open a new tab. Type the default gateway address for Spectrum router. The address is 192.168.0.1 and hit enter. Second, you will be taken to the Spectrum router login page and you will have to enter the administrator username and password to proceed. You can find the default administrator password and username printed on a label at the side or back of your router. Usually the default username is admin and password is also admin, or sometimes it could be only password. Third, if you have set a custom username or password, then put them on the username and password bar. If you forgotten your username or password, then just click on forget password option and you will face some inquiries. After completing it, you will allowed to set a new password, or you can figure it out by just reset your router. At fourth step, type in the administrator username and password and login. You will be successfully logged in to Spectrum router login page. You can access the settings of your router and manage your Wi-Fi network from here. If you're facing any problem yet, then let us know in the comment section. And if this video helps you out, then like this video, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon, and see you soon with another video.